objective, and use case. What you'll build: a simple Raspberry Pi GPIO project that blinks an external LED from Python using GPIO 17, a 220 330 ohm resistor, and 2 jumper wires. You will wire the circuit safely, run a basic script, and confirm the LED toggles on and off with stable timing. Why it matters divided by use cases. Learn the core GPIO workflow. Identify pins, wire output to GND correctly, and control hardware from software. Use the LED as a status indicator for real projects such as boot state, network status, sensor alerts, or script heartbeat. Practice safe electronics habits. 3.3 volts GPIO only. No direct LED to power connection, and power off before rewiring. Establish timing expectations for embedded scripting. Simple blinking typically runs at low frequency with human visible response under Massimo S and negligible GPU usage, 0% GPU. Audience mod: beginners using Raspberry Pi for basic electronics and Python control. Level basic.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.